So I made it out on this walk, and Christmas is in full effect. And I take these walks to think about content and some of the projects that are going on. And right now, HTMX is obviously one of the bigger ones just because there's not a whole lot of useful content on that. And then I've also been switching over to Rust for a lot of things, and that has been really interesting. It's a language that I've actually grown to really like. Pairing the two might be a little bit more complicated than some users might actually enjoy, but individually they're both really solid at their respective things. So I've been thinking about what other HTMX stuff would be useful, and I think right now the bulk of the stuff that I'd be interested in doing is more rapid prototyping. And I think an e-commerce store would probably be one of the bigger ones. That's kind of the stuff that you guys would probably be doing a lot more often. So I think that's going to be one of the next projects. But leave a comment and let me know what kind of things you're looking to get into or struggling with or might want to see, and that might make it onto the list.